Hello, my name is Joseph Mateo G. Espiritu, and I'm from grade 7 Mark. Today, I'm gonna cook grilled yempo. Today, we have our ingredients. The sugar, salt, pepper, paprika, yempo, soy sauce, garlic, calamansi juice, ketchup, oyster sauce, and the Sprite. First, we add 1 cup of soy sauce. Teaspoon of pepper, pinch of salt, paprika, 1 spoon of sugar, the calamansi juice, and the garlic. Add a little bit of oyster sauce. And next, we add ketchup. And lastly, we add 1 cup of Sprite. Make sure to clean your hands. Next, we mix with our clean hands. Gently mix the ingredients until they absorb our marinade. Marinate this at least 4 hours. This inside of the refrigerator. 4 hours, we'll get our marinated pork. Use the grill for a grilled yempo.